As we all know, Dykes premium smart electric vehicle brand IM Motors currently has 3 models on the market, the LS6, LS7 and L7. Now at the Geneva Motor Show, IM Motors finally premiered its 4th model, L6. It's positioned as a middle-sized pure electric vehicle and set to hit the market in 2024. Boasting an impressive CLTC pure electric range of up to 1,000 kilometers and achieving a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration in just 2 seconds, a phenomenal performance. Considering the current price range of similar models in the Chinese market, with IM LS6 priced between 229,900 and 291,900, we anticipate that the all-new IM L6 might start at around 220k Chinese yuan. In terms of design, the IM6 has a stylish overall look with a closed front face and sharp headlights, enhancing its front-end presence. The C-shaped air deflectors, along with the narrow strip-style trapezoidal air intake, project a sporty and distinctive appearance. The side profile complemented by slightly raised wheel arch lines both at the front and the rear. In terms of dimensions, the new car measures 4931 mm in length, 1960 mm in width, and 1474 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2950 mm, making it a relatively large mid-size sedan. The rear end is subtly designed with an upturned small ducktail. The interior is almost a replica of IM LS6, featuring the continuous layout of the LCD instrument panel, central touchscreen and co-pilot screen. The embedded screen, wireless charging panel, and even the cup holder below show high similarity to the IM LS6. In China, this interior design has received widespread praise. Finally, in terms of power, the new car will offer a single motor and a dual motor version. The single motor version has a maximum power of 216 kilowatts, while the dual motor versions have maximum powers of 200 kilowatts and 379 kilowatts, respectively. The battery options include 90 kilowatt hours and 100 kilowatt hours capacities, corresponding to ranges of 700, 720, 750, 770 kilometers and 1000 kilometers. Alright, that's the latest on the all-new IM L6. After going through all the information, what are your thoughts on the car? Let us know in the comments.